Hello everyone, today's video is about the customization of subway tile in order to match it with the porcelain mosaics. So we get this request a lot with our importers that we want to match the color of the subway tile with the porcelain mosaic. So that is achievable, not with everyone, but with us it is definitely achievable. So in today's video we are going to cover like what are the three most common requests which we get and which can help you to also achieve that kind of look or that kind of collection in your portfolio if you want to. So stay tuned till the end of this video and let us know your opinion on what kind of colors you want to develop in your subway tile collection or what kind of color you want to develop in your porcelain mosaic collection. Okay, so the first request which we get is the solid colors. What I mean by the solid color is like whenever we sell a subway tile, it's like in the plain color, the white color, the blue color, the black color, the yellow color, whichever color you want. We already discussed like the customization of the subway colors as per our client request in our previous video. If you want to see that video, we'll put a link in the description below as well as somewhere here. So the plain colors in the subway tile is possible, everybody knows that. But can you also do the subway colors in the porcelain mosaic, the same color intensity and same level of tones? Yes, it is possible. Even though the subway tile is the ceramic body, the body of the tile is ceramic and the porcelain mosaics are it's the porcelain body. So some manufacturer cannot do it, some don't have that facility to do it because they don't produce both of them together. So it is really hard to get a subway tile from one manufacturer and the porcelain mosaic from another manufacturer. But with us, we offer that kind of customization that you can have the same color of the mosaics into the subway tile or the subway tile into the mosaics. So that is possible. Like any of the color in the porcelain mosaics, we have more than 70 colors. These are some of the colors we have put it here. So any of these tones can be achieved into the subway tile as well. Also, as I told you earlier, like the subway tile can also be matched with the porcelain mosaic colors. So that is also possible. So this is the solid colors. It is done by the glaze color. It is not done by any printing or anything. It is done purely by adding the color to the glaze. You have to work with the glaze company in order to achieve the same level of intensity of the color to the porcelain body as well as the ceramic body. So that is the first thing we are offering. The second thing we are offering is the gradient colors. So what we mean by the gradient color, this is getting really into the trend, so you should listen very carefully. The gradient color is done by the digital printing in the subway tiles. Like this is the plain tile, but if you can imagine, like you might have seen somewhere that there is like little bit tones of the off-white or the beige or gray mixed into the white or any other color. Like there is like little bit of up down into the color tone. So that is the gradient color in the subway tiles. That is done by the digital printing. And into the porcelain mosaics, what we do is like we mix 4 or 5 colors or even more if required. And we mix the tone of the gray. Maybe we choose 4 different types of gray. We mix it together in one sheet, so it looks like a gradient of color into the porcelain mosaic panel. So whenever it is installed, it gives a seamless look. It is like a little bit up down, and any of the colors is possible. Not just the gray; it can be done in the blue, in the green, in the beige color tone, in the red color tone, in the yellow color tone. Because we have more than 5 to 6 variants. Some of them in the blue, we have more than 20 different tones of blue. In our porcelain mosaic, so we can mix it up and we can make a gradient out of it. And the same level of up down we can also do in the subway tile by using the digital printing technology. So that is the second thing which we can customize and match between the porcelain mosaic and the subway tile in order of the customization. The third thing which we do for our clients, as well as you can also start doing it if you want to work with us or even if you are working with some another tile manufacturer. But this is a good tip. Like for example, some of the mosaics, like this is the pinwheel, it has a small chip. Another mosaic, this is the octagon and dot. It has 2 kind of chip, like it's a big chip and the small chip. So this kind of patterns like a pinwheel or an octagon and dot or a basket view even, it has a smaller chip. So this smaller chip, you can change the color of that from different color palette or color range. So for example, the base or the big chip can be the white tile, but the small chip can be either green, or it can be gray, or it can be beige, it can be dark gray, it can be black, it can be blue, it can be green, anything. So that way you can customize the same product into a complete range or collection. And the same small chip color we can also produce in the subway tile. So for example, you are doing this the big chip with the white and the small chip with this kind of a blue color, for example. Okay, so this is for example a smaller chip. Then we can also do the subway tile out of it. So this is the smaller chip. Sorry, I forgot to take the right piece out. This was the subway tile. This is the porcelain mosaic. So the porcelain mosaic, if you replace it by this color, for example, then we can also do a matching subway tile of that smaller chip. So this is the custom color in small pieces in the porcelain mosaics. This is a very important addition, or very sellable addition, because the white and white is a classic and it is a timeless look. But not all people wants the white on white or black on black. They want a little bit of pop of color as per their interior theme, as per their like design preference. So in order to get that kind of range, you can customize the small chip in the porcelain mosaics, and you can make a complete range, and we will match the same color of the porcelain mosaics with the subway tile as well. So they can use like the porcelain mosaic for the flooring, and the wall application can be done by the subway tile. So that is the main thing why the customers of ours, as well as the tile distributors and interior designers, like this concept, that they can use the subway tile on the wall, because it's ceramic body. It gives a variety of application usability and application advantages, because you can play with the shapes, or you can play with the ground colors. It gives a very unique look. The subway tile, it's really affordable option also. So that is the reason for having a subway collection in your portfolio. And the same matching colors in the porcelain mosaics can be used for the flooring option. So whenever you are selling to your end customer, or to your, if you are a distributor, you are selling to a showroom owner, then the thing is, like, it would be easy sell, because you can go with two products instead of one product. Instead of just selling the subway tile, if you give the matching mosaics, then you can try to get double advantage. So that is a tip for the tile importers and the tile distributors. Hope you like this video, and if you want to see more such video, let us know in the comment section. And if you really want to see more such video, we can also collaborate on our platform. We are open for collaboration, so you can also ping us in the email or in the comment section, and we will get back to you on that. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.